word of prayer. Thank you so much for all of you who have made it to this occasion. That is the first remarks. Especially bacelile ukuthi ikwenze kube public that they have tendered their apologies or rendered. It's Bobani Kamete and Pinda Pembe. They said there is so much wished that bebakhona lapha. Please feel free. We will use both official languages in this country. Sisaqhubeka nalo msebenzi. I am glad to have had an opportunity to be a student at Lobamba National High School, where I did 5 years there, but kakhulu sikhuluma class of 84. We try to be relevant. And I am so grateful today that we say ladies first, we have Mrs. Lomahoza, Mrs. Vlagati, and Mr. Vlagati as well, who was the head teacher when I was enrolled or admitted into that school. We were so anxious, if Mr. Vlagati will remember, we were the first Form 1C group. In fact, seats in Simkale, so I said, what's it evaporated, Form 4. Then Form 5 there was no C. But we were the first group with my co-chairs. Yes, I usually of these programs. I usually if there is anything else that we should remember, and I know it's quite a lot of effort. For the head teachers in particular, putting a new stream is a lot of work involved. I've been privileged to sit in some boards of the schools. I know it is a big problem, but you worked hard, because the pressure that and the anxiety that we had. This siyafika esikolweni kuthi no baka Form 1C abasale ngaphandle, abasale la assembly. This is the announcement. Can you please go home? You will come back after 2 weeks. Nasi about 2 weeks, no matter whether 2, no matter whether 3 matawe. Ngoba saqala sekuphela February ukuthi sibe seclassini sifunde. But yeah, it happened. Those are memories. But yes, I think I will count it. Yes, we've been fortunate. Lobamba had its own character. Lobamba, as in the school, its own character. These we may take lightly, but the first character, of course, it is part of the black and white schools and khaki, which is, but the character that when I was coming down here, I said, no, Mr. Vlagati, nani teacher enifundisela pha kulesa sikolo lesa, you may have heard it and you have seen that it's so different. In our class, we had princesses, Tabang too. We did that with now I know they call her Royal Highness Pastor Princess Lindy. But we were in the same class with her in Form 1. But that is the character of Lobamba. And it was just one other issue that I think they never had a problem with walking to school. Best babona nabo figure late nabo bakuisha nathi bakuisha nalaba figure late. And I still marvel, how was this issue of treating the royalty at that level? No, but that was a character of Lobamba National. And the one day which was, and I've told people, but anyway, thank you so much that you are here. I will probably find time to talk about other issues that I will say as well. The fact that Mrs. Lomahosa is here, I know we were the first group as well for principles of accounts. And if there is also anything else, I'm saying you must have gotten good teachers.
It's an honor kithi namuhla ukuthi sibe that these beautiful teachers lebasifundisa esikolweni kule celebration lesikiyo namuhla. Kuningi but nje le ngicabanga ukuthi siyakubonga namuhla ukuthi bangagcini kuphela ekuthenini babe bothishela because baba bothishela eklasini basifundisa, of which a big chunk of what we are today comes from those values ukuthi bebakhona ukuthi beme phambi kwethu babe sibonele. Bakhona bothishela labaya eklasini lomunye umbono ukuthi hayi lona bebanatha tshwala ntshala tshwala bulele endleleni but umela utekusonifundisa. Asikubonge benziwe lapho baba abadala ngoba phela sikhathi lesiningi besisigcina sinako kusuka kuMonday nje kuya kuFriday kusuka ekuseni kweShonalanga sasinako and lokuthi siphile nabo kwasenda ukuthi sibe nenhlanhla ukuthi I believe ukuthi today it's one of the ways ukuthi sakhona ukuthi bakhona kuma phambi kwethu basifundisa. Kunema incidents ke umuntu la ngawakhumbula esikolweni. One of them nje Mrs. Blakati, I think uke wena comment nyana mabafika le wathi wena bongeva wena esikolweni asangibona angikhumbula. And at some point uyaya ke sodlala ibhola lapha endazi besidlala ibhola for some reason uyayobukela ungikhaza ngiyadlala la. The following day eclassini she was so happy ukuthi kimi ye wena mfana kanti wena ngidlala ibhola kangaka nami ngativa ngijabula lokuthi uya appreciate ukuthi angiva nje kuphela eclassini but ikhona into lento la ngibone kuyena. It was so beautiful and kwaba into lento lokuthi babe khona phambi kwethu basikhulise. Tishela lomkhulu ke sonke siyazi ukuthi abe ngumuntu bekathanda nje ukuthi into econza and nalokuthi lokuningi vele sasikubuka kibo bo dress code ubone ukuthi indlela yegqoka ihamba la kwasita lo ukuthi le ngqondo yethu ibe secretary ukuthi ufuna sisibhekele other than that colleagues angibonge mina ukuthi la mkhathini wethu sine class of 84 bekungaba kuhle ukuthi ngingakukhohlwa kuhle lokuthi sinetishoshovu ishoshovu kunabantu nabala bavula indlela noma ivalile nakuthiwa bokhuluma enze ungakhulume indlo bese uyayenda sinabo la ngithola kuba namhlanje ukuthi ngikhulume ngalo ngiyaqala nje bathatha akusho ukuthi lalabanye imisebenzi yabo lebayendile angi-appreciate but siyashiyana uNkulunkulu siphe ngetindlela letehlukene ukuthi khona kubambana abantu khona kubambana abantu khona kwenta angilithathe lethuba lokuthi ngibabonge kunaThabile ngijudith bese ngibita ngaJudith esikolweni but for some reason wagcina sekashindile mina nangimbona nje esikhothi ukuthi kimi angisuye Judith ngingithabile hawu wena songithabile sagcina ke sekusebenza leli gama lelo uyabamba labambe khona ungasi kubamba indvondo umsebenzi lomningi la wendile ukuthi sifike la namuhla is unmatched. Siyak appreciate lokho la kwendile ungathi angaqhubeka abambe nalaba abengacali ke kubamba nyalo ema-functions esibenawo nguye bekayahamba embili entelo wasiprovide ngalokho. We really do appreciate. That is one. Two, kube na Hamilton Curtis le group noma seyithi uyibone ngathi iyaceka imali sekangena emadolweni akusahambe kahle communication seyiphuwa la groupini umvese kakhona Curtis uyazivusetela ubuta lokho awukhuluma lokho esikhathi umve akhulume ngegana bude aphinde aliphendulela la ngaphansi sibinzile thina but akaphele manje ufakile umfutho saye safika la sifike khona namuhla nakule event lesikiyonyaka ema-efforts akhe lawafakile siyawabonga kakhulu. Wesigcina ke ngu-chairman wethu he is the brainchild of le group lesikiyo la nguJobe Pius Mkhonda nguye lo wasungula le group waqhamuka lo mqondo ukuthi yini singendi na bakhona ke labanye ngiyathi singenteka sikhona labanye labambambisa wagcina lo mqondo sowuvuthiwe waba ngiloku longiko namuhla le leadership yakhe ke lokuthi athi lokuthi ngifela sengihola abantu labadzala kusibo bantwana indlela yakhe ye-communication ikule level lethi lapha ngihola abantu labadzala lasebakhona kucabanga. Other than that I'm happy ukuthi namhla sila silo celebrate le milestone lena colleagues asi enjoying ngawo konke lokhona. Thank you.
Thank you. I will set the pace. We'll introduce ourselves. Wonke umuntu utawukhuluma ngekuphuma lethi order kule nkulumo. Please you stick to ukuthi usiphumeka Lobamba in 1984. Keep it short.
Just say, we are Christians, we're still too young to even become a Christian, maybe because we're still at the school. But what has been important, even after school, then I just did temporary work with the statistics as a youth. I'm so grateful that for the past 40 years, they've known my testimony, and that is where I am in my calling, and people that can testify. They are the same colleagues that are here, my classmates that they've known my life, they can say much more, and they've been so much appreciated to have this group, because during all my journey life, I think when I lost my wife, the group was already formed. They were there to be with me, and they were comforting me, they worked with me, and when I started a new life, they were also there in my new life. So I'm so thankful to be part of this team, class of 1984. Thank you so
most of the 2 minutes. I'm sure most of one and a half, we have 2 minutes. That's what I was thank you.
So,
nami njengabonke ngaqetha ngalo-84 esikolweni nasengiqethile ngasebenza e-Right Science International for iminyaka engabanga 8 siphohlongo. Ngabe senami sengiba nalolu bito sengihamba ngiyawushumayela sengipholiwe sengiyafunza ngaba ne-PhD in biology ngafunza lokuphakela lokuyele seminako kube sekuba i-masters community psychology.
In 1989, I was called to do under 23 national team,
but college klasi ngeke sikhulise. Nangiqala-ke kusebenza, I had to quit soccer because sasingakhona ukuhlephuleka lesikhathi.
Bengingudeni kakhulu, dengeni kakhulu esikolweni. Lelinye lokudlala bewungumzala, ngilahle silaqhamuka kanjani ngemahunganyana so. But lokukhumbulako noma ngiqale nje sisuka eBunya Secondary sinaphole kunene. Mina ngicelelwa ngumnakethu esikolweni uyaphuma yena sebahishayishene nababe ukuthi umusha imali yakhe ngene enzaweni yakhe uyangifaka enzaweni yakhe uyavuma thishela ngene enzaweni yakhe.
Wow, uthishela bami siyabonga ukuthi lamhla simbone ngikhona ngisaphila. Sabe kunene bengathiwa ukuthi ngichalisi shoko. Kepha igama lami libitwa ngalo nyalo kuthiwa ngimusa shoko. Lo Charles ngamgcina lesikolweni. Ngicethile 84 esikolweni. Kusukela lapho ngihamba ngojona emaphoyiseni. Sengathatha umhlala phansi nasemaphoyiseni. Emaphoyiseni ngiserve for 36 years. Salome employees. Uyomnyaka ophelile ke sengithatha umhlala phansi sengihlele ekhaya. Shothi nami sengijoyinela abadala emakhaya labadipenshe.
Ngubaba teacher impephethe namake nake ngesesilomaholo eDemweni. Ngibongela kakhulu uMtungwane who is the founder of this institution esihlangene kuyo namuhla. Ngiyabonga ngithola lethuba lokuthi ngibe phambi kwenu nami ngikhumbula insuku tasebusheni kule minyaka le-10 lamane sacedza kaLobamba.
But there are a lot of things that they've learned from your principles, the way you are handling things. You're not so talkative, but bowenda. So, sasifunda kakhulu kulokwenza. Siyabonga. And we had a vibrant teacher, Magelo Mahoza. She was just, vibrant. Even when we meet in town, nje kanjalo. Benze taba naThemba namuhla. Every time angena eclassini, abethi Themba. Wenda lapha emuva uva. Sacaba mfowethu nje. We had vision and so many things. More than anything, it was the character that built us. Basically the character lena, and you know very well ukuthi makaqhamuka nje la ngesingambithi kuphela Mr. Vlakat bese sithi nango. And also may I also acknowledge my mentor, my teacher, my account teacher. This is the Mahoza. I'm what am I today because of the inspiration now of my account. And I've been listening to most of us here accounting. So it means we had a very impact on the class of 84. Magelo Mahoza, thank you so much.
Agcina sengimjiyela ngathi kanjani. Cele ukubonga kakhulu bothishela bethu laba khonile ukuthi benze bahlose sinatha kulo msebenzi. Ngicabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe
babevulakali namake banesati kancane ngoba size sifika form 4. Yes, kodwa nje siswati ngiyakhumbula babevulakade besihle sixoxa nami ukhona umfana wami lo lapha e-university. Ngiphinde ngibonge nokuthi lelibandla leli nkosami kade kwasa basifika mina kwesicala nje kufika namuhla. Lihle leli bandla lihle kakhulu. Siyabonga, next time nje ngizawuba khona nami. Ngibonge. Bese ngibonga nesikole sakithi seMkalobamba.
Bafundi ba-1984 labaphothulwa kaLobamba National High. Sami le story sicala ka-grade 1. Ka-grade 1 ngangikalobamba ne-primary. Lobamba National Primary School. Afika ka-standard 5. Ngaphasa ngaya ka-form 1 Lobamba National High School. Ngafika ka-form 3 ngaphasa ngaya Lobamba National High School. Lapho ngaphothula khona babevulakati namabevulakati bangifundisile. If I'm not mistaken, babevulakati ngathi wake wasithatha ka-geography e-secondary. Yeah, ka-geography. Mabevulakati wasifundisa Swati. Angathi ukuthi memory yami ngitshela right yini. Kodwa-ke sahamba wahamba umphephethe kaLobamba.
Yabo thishela bafundingelela balingana. Mina ngingithula inyamane. Ngitalwa kaDvokolwapha. Mina ekufika kwami kaLobamba-ke ngafika ngalaba bakavulakati. Angisiwa kaLobamba. Bukhona malume lavulakati lobeka inkhosikade emva nenkosihlahla amehlo. Ufika kaDvokolwapha ukhanza angatholi indzawo yesikole. Usho yena ukuthi angisakushiyi ngumtsakusipho. Ngafika kanjalo-ke kaLobamba. Nangiceda esikolweni ngishadile nginebantwana abangu-4 nginebatukulu abathathu. Ngiceda esikolweni ngihamba ngawufundzela e-South Africa bengenda i-nursing. Wakhazakala ukuthi iyangishaya ngasheshe ngashada. Kwabuya kufuna ukuthi ngibuye ekhaya masinyane. Kwathiwa ngibuye ngabuya. uNkulunkulu ohlala muhle bekakungiteleko nalo. Ngusomabhizinisi lomkhulu lapha kuMathapha. Nasesigodweni on the way from kaNdlunganye before ufike kune-3-way stop yakaMashayita Food. There's a shopping complex lebhalwe Power of Prayer. Line-butchery, ine-pharmacy, ine-restaurant, ine-mini supermarket, ine-salon. That's my place, ngiyabonga.
But we are so grateful namhla ukuthi kulaba sifundisile sinaye make Mrs. Vilakati here, sinaye Mrs. Lomahoza here. Ngifivela ngiba nemona ukuthi nje everyone okay leli class leli mina la ngithola ngako kona lokutalwa ngithishela. Kuthiwe makungukuthi kumbe uphase vele waphasela lemuva kwamfiva avela athi awindawo phinda khona la. So la ngithola ke leli class leli. Okay, ngifundzile ngacomplete form 5 ngaceda ngayengwane ngaba ngithishela ngafundzisa etikolweni letehlukene ngase ngiyahamba nge-university ngafeatherisha ngase ngiyabuya ngathi ngibuya kwangaphela ngisho na 2 months base bayangipromota ngaba ngideputy bangimisa kubohlatsi ngabuya kaHlatsi ngaba sekwaLuseni. Then from kwaLuseni ngaba ngi-head teacher e-Antioch. Ngikhona ke lapho ngiretire khona Tuesday lo sisuka kuyo.
Ngicela kubonga kakhulu lama-organizers ale event. Ngibonge na chairman wethu Mkhonda nokuthi nika isikhathi asihlanganise kanje. wasakangitshela katseni ngangayithathi serious lento but ngayizwa. Kwathi nasekucala kusebenza kwasebenzeka. Ngibonge-ke nabothishela bethu labavumile ukuthi babe kunye nathi namuhla. Ngiyanibonga kakhulu. Mina usongathi ngimzala kunathishela Vilakati, angi-understand kahle, ngitshela nguye lekufanele abe ngizala ngibonge-ke namake Mahosa ukuthi naye ube khona. Mina ejeni yami angingathi sinayicala ngakho, but anyway the story begins ngamake Mahosa. Ngaphuma nesitifiketi esikolweni, ngahamba ngaya eScott, kaphutha kuphuma ngesitifiketi saseScott, sengifuna umsebenzi. Ngahoshula lesi mina sisotha umlungu. Wasileka wafa umlungu, wathi ngeke wena umncane kangaka, akwafika na-20. Ngathi mina naso senginaso. Ngacala kanjalo-ke kusebenza.
Okay. Ngibonge kakhulu nje kubona abothishela bethu. Mina-ke ngingu-Precious Maphanga. Ngiyabonga ukuthi ngangena kalobamba nje. Basekubhedile, teenage pregnant. Athi ngathiyazi ngilofunda. Ngaphuma kalobamba nesinayo. Ngaya e-university. I had a gap year. Ngangena 86. Ngiyenza i-Bachelor of Arts and Social Sciences. Ngaphasa kahle esikolweni. I was awarded the Red Cross Prize in Public Administration for graduating on top of my class. I always excelled even from grade 1 to school. But ngiyabeva nje basho Mrs. Maheza mina bengithi-commerce ema-accounts ngilangehlula. But ngimtshela umuntu othi uhlula Siswati. I always, everywhere. Which I wonder why, because when I got an A in Siswati, I had a very good teacher. Sengihlula njani Siswati. So ngihlala ngibreaka nje. But I had a very good teacher Swati. So nabathi bethula Swati ngithi so wathi ngifike elulwini.
Ngiphinda ngwakaBhembe Sibongo. Alobamba ngafika ngacala ka-form 1. Khumbula kahle ngiyamangala nje nangibona babe Vilakati namakwakakhe ngambhela form 4 ngamphinza. Lokwekuqala wangifundisa Swati. Bese kungibalisela ngathi lokhu sibekabonani athi nenhloko athi nje u-arrogant abesho nje athi ndawuqashwa kuphi ngoba abebuka lesithombo sami. Abesebenzisa kusho njalo. Bangisita-ke noko Nkosi yami ngoba i-discipline ngaqala ukuyithola lapha. Angilungisela Jehova sikhathi lebesita ngoba nabathi lizwi wayekhona konke engakabibikho ngikhumbula kahle. Kulesingane sami lengasibhola ngamtshela nangileka lobamba ngathi ngizokhuliswa ngoba umsebenzi ungihlalele ka-railway. Nangiphuma lapho kundawo yakhona nemambala Jehova mhle wakwenda lokho.